I'm John Addis, owner and founder of Area 419. Area 419 started in rifles as you know it today, Area 419, but really it goes back a lot further to, I guess, my childhood. Messing around with stuff all my life, tinkering, got a lot of these traits from my dad. We never really paid anybody to do anything. We always figured out how to do it ourselves. So really that's when everything started. I had a go-kart, four-wheeler, all that stuff, and I could never leave it alone. Always had to modify it in some way. Growing up, as it progressed into professions, I moved through some just normal retail jobs, and then got a job building choppers for Black Swamp Choppers in White House. And that was my real first creative ability as a job to do some fabrication, things like that. And ever since, I've had kind of an entrepreneurial mindset of what can I do on my own to make money and also have some fun doing it. And that kind of grew into Area 419. I started shooting precision rifle probably around 2007, 2008, and didn't really have any money to pay gunsmiths to do the stuff I wanted to do. I was working at Gander Mountain. We had a lathe and a mill, and I just started messing around with that stuff. Finally, they disbanded that department, and I bought the equipment, and that was the true origins, I guess, of Area 419 as you know it today. My last job working for somebody else was for a company in the area here that made UV phototherapy equipment to treat skin conditions such as psoriasis, vitiligo. I was the mechanical engineer, design engineer for their latest new product that came to market. Working there gave me some insight on how products are born, how it goes from a concept in the computer to production, because I basically saw through all the mechanical side of that, from sketches on a piece of paper to when we actually started shipping the units. And around the same time was when I was starting to do more in-depth gunsmithing, building complete rifles. I was using all the popular brakes at the time and was getting frustrated by some of the things, the installation mainly. So I just started working on the design of the Hellfire at that point. At the time, it was mostly an idea to make my life easier, not anybody else's life. Little did I know what the Hellfire would become today. And that was about 2016, and I give Area 419 two birth dates of 2010 roughly when I got my first business license, but 2016 is really when Area 409, as you know it today, was born. As Area 409 was growing up, there was a lot of things I would spend my time researching. A lot of it was, how do I program this toolpath in HSM and Inventor? Some of the things I would look for that I couldn't find was good advice from other business owners on a multitude of things, whether it be the business operations itself, how should I buy machines, what machines should I buy, all those kinds of decisions that nobody really talks about. And there was no resources for that kind of stuff. So that's where I see machine to mailbox being valuable to other people. I'm sitting here looking at $20,000 to $30,000 worth of camera equipment, an employee we hired just for video content. We're really investing in this. I'm not going to say it's only for your benefit. There's some benefit for us for it, but I really hope that it turns into something that would have helped me when I was growing, because I'd like to help people learn how to be successful as Area 419 has.